Hello students, today we'll continue with the chapter 4 Natural Wonders of India and chapter 5 that is Indian National Awards. Okay, first of all let's see about the natural wonders of India which is related to nature. In this you have to identify the natural wonders of your country. Okay, let's see the first one. The first one is this is a beautiful lake which we can call Lunar Crater Lake. Lunar Crater Lake, also known as Lunar Crater, is a notified National Geoheritage Monument saline soda lake located at Lonar. It's in the Buldana district, Maharashtra, India. This lake consists of both saline and alkaline in nature and looks green in color when looked at from a distance. Lunar Lake has a mean diameter of 1.2 kilometers and is about 137 meters below the crater rim. The meteor crater rim is about 1.8 kilometers in diameter. Next one. Next is, yes, it's a magnetic hill. It is a gravity hill located near Leh in Ladakh, India. Objects and cars on the hill may appear to roll uphill in the defense of gravity when they are in fact rolling downhill. The layout of the area and surrounding slopes create the optical illusion of a hill. Next is, it is also a beautiful, we can call them Valley of Flowers. Valley of Flowers National Park is an Indian national park located in north in the state of Uttarakhand and is known for its meadows of endemic alpine flowers and the variety of flora. The national park is also home to rare and endangered animals and birds. Next is, you might be knowing, yes, it's a Majuli Island. It is the largest river island in the world, located on the banks of river Brahmaputra in Assam. It is hotspot for flora and fauna and home to many rare and endangered species. It is a natural paradise in the middle of Brahmaputra river. Next is hot water spring Manikaran. It lies in the Parvati valley between the rivers Beas and Parvati. The springs are situated near the bank of Parvati river. The water of these springs is so hot that pulses, rice, vegetables, etc. can be boiled and cooked in it. It is at an altitude of 1756 meter and is located about 35 km from Kullu. It is claimed that even before 1905, this hot water spring sprang with full force, making an 11 to 14 feet high fountain. The temperature of different springs at Manikaran is 64 to 80 degrees Celsius. The next one is Hogankal Falls. Hogankan Falls is a waterfall in South India on the Kaveri River on the border between Dharmapuri district of Tamil Nadu and Chamarajanagar district of Karnataka. It is sometimes referred to as the Niagara Falls of India. It is known for bathing areas and hired boat rides and as a major tourist attraction. These falls gush in full force, creating the appearance of smoke coming from the rocks and hence its name. It is often referred to as the Niagara of India. Milky white water rushes down the heights with the constant gushing sound. Next is Loktak Floating Lake. It is the world's only floating national park located in India. Loktak Lake is the largest freshwater lake in northeast India as well as the largest natural freshwater lake in the whole country. It is famous for the fumdis that is floating over it. And the main thing that it serves as a source of water for hydropower generation, irrigation and drinking water supply in the region. And the last one is, it is also one of the beautiful Guru Dangmar lake. Again I repeat, Guru Dongmer Lake. It is located in Sikkim and is considered to be among the highest lakes in the world. It is one of the highest lake in the world, and in India, located at an altitude of 17,800 feet in the Indian state of Sikkim. It is considered sacred by Buddhists, Sikhs and Hindus. The sacred lake freezes during the winters except at one spot, which is believed to be the blessed water. It is encircled all around by snow-covered mountains. Thank you. Have a nice day. Take care. Bye bye.